Hello everyone, welcome back to Swapna's Math Book. Today we can continue our lesson Practical Geometry Part 5. Previous class we discussed about how to construct a quadrilateral when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. Today we can study how to construct a quadrilateral when other special properties are known. We can do few questions from textbook exercise 4.5. First question. Construct a square READ. RE is equal to 5.1 centimeter. As you all know, in a square, all sides are equal in length and all angles are also equal. That is, one angle is right angle, 90 degree. Now we can see how to construct a square READ. First you have to draw the rough sketch. Square READ. READ. RE is equal to 5.1 centimeter. Square, all sides are equal in length. That is, here RE is 5.1, then AE also 5.1, AD is 5.1 and DR also 5.1, and each angle is 90 degree. So now we can draw square READ. RE is base 5.1 centimeter. You can take 5.1 centimeter. Here, this point. RE 5.1. Now angle R is 90 degree, angle E 90 degree, angle A 90 degree and angle D also 90 degree. So now I am going to draw angle R 90 degree. So we need to draw 60 degree and 120 degree first. Draw an arc. Previous questions we discussed. So with this point as center, cut the previous arc. This is 60 degree. Then with this point, again draw an arc. This is 120 degree. So bisecting 60 and 120 to get 90 degree. 60, 120. Now with these 2 points as center, we can draw an arc here. Again to this point, cut the previous arc. Then join this. Now we know all sides are equal. So somewhere here only point D. So D is 5.1 centimeter away from R. So 5.1 we need to take 5.1, this much. Then with the point R you can draw small arc. Extend this line. So this point is D. Now we need to find the point A. A also 5.1 centimeter away from E. 5.1 we need to take. Otherwise you can draw again here 90 degree. That way also you can draw. This way is easy only. So 5.1 again you can take. Then with this point as center, draw an arc here. Then A is 5.1 centimeter away from D also. So again 5.1 centimeter. Make sure that this is 5.1 centimeter. Then cut the previous arc. Then this point is A. Then join these two to make a square. Then join this also. Here 5.1, 5.1, 5.1. This is the required square READ. Hope you all understood. Next question. Construct a rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 centimeters and 6.4 centimeters long. As you all know, the diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular to each other. Here two diagonals are given. Now we can see how to construct a rhombus for the given measurements. First you have to draw the rough sketch. A rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter long. Rhombus, all sides are equal in length and diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of one another. One diagonal is 5.2 centimeter and another diagonal is 6.4. I am giving here bisecting at a point O, giving A, B, C, D. So rhombus A, B, C, D bisecting at a point O. AC is equal to 5.2 centimeter and BD is equal to 6.4 centimeter. So they are perpendicular bisectors of one another. So OD is equal to OB. Is dividing equal parts, exactly equal parts. That is, bisect means dividing exactly equal parts. So BD is equal to 6.4 centimeter. So OD is equal to OB means then OD is equal to, how we can find OD? OD is equal to half of BD. BD divided by 2. That means 6.4 divided by 2. That is 3.2 centimeter. OD is equal to OB. So OB also 3.2 centimeter. Now we can draw rhombus ABCD. First we can draw AC. Diagonal AC 5.2 centimeter. AC 5.2. Then can draw perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector, how we can do? With center C, you can take more than half radius of 5.2. Then draw here one arc, down also. Then with center A, cut the previous arc. Then down also. This one long, little long you can. Then join. Bisect at a point O. Now we know OD is equal to OB. That is, D is somewhere here and B is here. The point D is 3.2 centimeter away from O. 3.2 you can take here 3.2. So with center O, draw an arc here. Then B is 3.2 centimeter away from O. Down also 3.2. So this point is D. Here D and here B. Now you can join A and B, B and C, A and D, C and D. So all side here 3.2, here also 3.2 centimeter. This is the required rhombus ABCD. Hope you all understood. Thank you.